see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone.
It's a call 18333 J Knows, all right? Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your favorite guy in the hoodie, J Knows Credit, back with another video. This video is going to be pertaining to the differences between the services that we have here at J Knows Credit. As of recently, we just added a new service, which you might not know of a new service. You might be like, what? That's not new, Jay. But it's new here for us at J Knows Credit because we found a better way to do it, and to do it properly without any type of backlash for you, the customer. Okay, so the first main service that we have is our credit expungement service. That is something that's done only here at J Knows Credit. This is an exclusive service. So when you hear the word expungement, it may not resonate, but if you think about, anything being expunged off of a record or something like that, or even a sponge cleaning off of something, right? We're getting rid of the mistakes. That's what we're doing with the expungement service here at J Knows Credit. It is an expedited service. We do have different expungement services that go from 120 business days to 180 business days as far as removals, and that is a guaranteed time frame, or you get your money back unless it is a special. If it is a special service where we're doing special pricing for that service, then there is no refunds, but we also keep working on the profile as well as give you additional services if there are any delays in those time frames as well. Okay, so that's our main service that we are known for here at J Knows Credit, is that. Now, the next service is credit repair. Now, we do have one credit repair that we outsource, and then one that we have here in-house at J Knows Credit that we mainly do. Okay, the one that we mainly do is $199 per month. I'm sorry, $199 startup fee and $99 per month. All right, now we do have certain specials going on. We'll change those pricing and all that for specials, but the main price is $199 and $99 a month. Okay, now even going back to the expungement services, those prices are based on getting a consultation. So if you don't get a consultation, you won't get that price unless it is a special that's going on as well. Okay, so if you wanted to know, like, hey Jay, you skipped that, what is the actual pricing for your expungement, you would have to schedule a consultation. There'll be links in the description where you can actually schedule a consultation if you like to get one, to get that pricing for it. Okay, now our other services that are credit repair related, that we outsource, that service for that is also $197 to get started. But with that service, you only pay for 6 months. You pay 6 months, and then that's it. You don't pay any more after that. Okay, and that service, there is no time frame. There's no guaranteed time frame for any credit repair services. But we do all the work and to make sure that we get it removed off your credit. Okay, so that's one of the credit repair services that we do that is outsourced. Okay, remember, it's not us here at J Knows Credit doing it. It is an outsourced thing, but that's only because we are a representative. We are contractually obligated with another company, and we do have a license that we went through with this company. So it's something that I use as kind of a certification as well, so that way people know that I do have something more than just me talking on a vlog. I actually have affiliation with a real big giant company that does millions of clients over the past 20 years. Okay, anyway, so next service I have is for inquiry removal. Inquiry removal, I have different services for that. I have a service where we can get rid of everything within just a week. Within a week, we can get rid of all of your inquiries off of Experian, or we can get rid of all your inquiries off all your credit reports within 180 days is the max. A lot of times we do them within like 90 business days or less. Okay, but we do have different services, and the different services are just different time frames because there's different methods of removals. Okay, so we do different methods based on the price point that person is paying, 4 those removals, okay? Because there's a lot that goes into doing a lot of things that people think it's just like a letter or something like that, and it's not. It's a whole lot more intricate than just somebody writing a letter. So